Previously on Loki.
Oh, don't film. This looks terrible.
How's it going?
It's going good. This bottom sheet came off and we just have never fixed it.
No.
Because we're lazy. This is so comfy and warm.
It's pretty nice in here.
It's really nice, yeah. Where's my coffee?
It's ready.
Why isn't it in my hands?
It's really full, so no.
I'm not allowed to drink it in bed?
Nope.
Oh.
Why don't we go sit up top? Coffee's ready. We have this cool little plexiglass door.
It's a nice morning.
Yes, it is. Feels really nice to not have much of an agenda this morning.
Yeah.
I feel like it's only the second time we've actually woken up on the boat and not had to be somewhere else.
Yeah, because if we stay on like a Wednesday night, we always have to get up and do work the next morning.
I think we're gonna blow up the kayak and just go out for a little paddle. Maybe go check out the anchorage.
Probably make some eggs when we get back and then head back to Santa Cruz. Paddle me, boy. Let's go to the beach. Whoa! We made it!
Successful beaching.
Yeah.
Okay, now what?
I don't know. You gonna skim that?
I don't know. I haven't skimmed a rock in a long time.
Oh, all right. 2.
Asking about the video or why we're doing it. I almost said, I don't know, because we're supposed to.
I was thinking that last night. It's like, isn't it the law now that if you're going to buy a boat, you have to have a YouTube channel? Yay, nobody stole our beer. Wonderful. Can't see any. Yeah. Oh, there's one. Look. What, just float there? Yeah. What are you for? we back up a little bit? This guy's gonna jump right into our kayak. Dude, they are literally coming right for us. Where did they go? Ooh. Whoa! What the hell? Babe, no, wait. Okay, we need to go. Oh, it clapped in the air. Oh my god, that was amazing. That scared the crap out of me. He just splashed me.
Now I'm even more scared. Where are they? They're so sneaky.
I know, they're down there somewhere. Ready to pounce. So today we sail from here, where? Right back over there. He is not turning around. Dude, what the hell? Oh my god, no, that's too close. Oh my god.
We left the Monterey marina around noon and motored out into the bay. The wind was perfect and there weren't too many other boats around, so it seemed like a good opportunity for Lizzie to practice sailing close-hauled using the telltales. Why don't you sit here and just steer to the telltales on the jib.
Okay. So is it the same as like tiller towards treble telltale? Isn't it the opposite on this?
Right now, since the sail's all the way in, and we don't want to adjust the sail, you can't adjust the sail anymore. So you have to steer off the wind just in the air.
So if the inside ones are luffing, I fall off a little more.
How's your sailing lesson going?
Good. I'm understanding things, kind of. Yeah, I feel like this is good. The bimini is just exactly at my eye level, so if I'm standing behind the wheel, I just can't see out unless I stand on my tiptoes. Or I can just wear heels.
That was my idea. Lizzie's doing surprisingly well.
Why is everything so surprising to you?
If we were sailing for more than a day, probably move all the fenders to the stern, clean up the decks. There might be a little shift up ahead, maybe. You see a shift in the wind? Well, this boat up ahead of us all of a sudden like seems to be able to head up. But I like where we're at right now. It's good.
Perfect. I'm f***ing nailing it. How's it going, babe?
It's going great. I'm feeling very sleepy.
Trev's feeling sleepy. What time is it?
3:40.
Oh, wow. So we have like probably 45 minutes or so until we're back.
Yeah, less than an hour. Catamaran.
Shot du mer.
Stupid.
Perfect timing. Hi there.
Howdy.
How's it going? Grab that. Great. Perfect. We did our first not overnight sail, but we sailed to Monterey and we stayed the night down there and we came back. And nobody died and the boat didn't sink.
It was really fun.
It was awesome. It was so fun.
I'm so happy.
Me too. It was a good birthday.
Yeah.
I feel like we're both a little bit introverted and sometimes have a tendency to like just want to sit around and watch a movie or something. But last night we forced ourselves to go out and meet up with these people from This'll Do, and we ended up having a really nice time. We chatted with them, we met them at a bar and had some beers and talked about boats, and it was scary. We were both like, I don't know if I want to go. Yeah, it was good. We pushed ourselves a little bit out of our comfort zone and made some new friends. But then same thing I was thinking this morning. It would have been so easy for us to say, oh, I don't feel like putting the kayak in the water. Like, let's just hang out, you know? And just, we did, and we did it, and we put it in the water, and then a freaking sea lion jumped in our kayak, practically.
I think we're both also a bit happy to just, you know, have the weekend on the boat to ourselves, and to be able to go to a destination feels a lot more enjoyable than just, you know, sailing in circles out in the day.
I feel like I learned more this morning in that one little sailing lesson that we did coming out of Monterey than I ever have just trying to go in circles around here, because it's like I can see we're trying to get there, right? And this is what we're dealing with. This is where the wind is coming from. This is what we need to do. Whereas when we just kind of go out and go around, it's always like, well, now we're tacking, and I'm like, why? Yeah.
It's fair. We've been talking about how expensive things are, and I know this is a huge stereotype.
Such a
like,
cliche.
Boats are
it's expensive.
a money pit. But yeah, I was feeling it a little bit, and then we just had a great time this weekend, and reminded us both, I think, that it's going to be all worth it, and we're really excited to actually do some traveling. Anything else?
There's not. We're sunburned.
Yeah, I feel really sunburned.
We need to start wearing sunscreen. We're dumb. Okay. Bye.